What's up? I'm going to show you how to play On Me on guitar. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. Let's get started. For this song, you won't need a capo and you're going to be in standard tuning. So there's an octave melody throughout the whole song. The roots of the octaves are going to be 3, 3, 4, 3, 8, rest. 8, 10, 10, 11, rest. 11, 13, 15, 8, rest. 4, 6, 4, 3, 3, 4, 3, 8, rest. 8, 10, 10, 11, rest. 11, 13, 15, 8, rest. 4, 6, 4. Do it again. Your pointer on 3 and your ring on 5, and you'll go, and you just use your pointer and your thumb. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you didn't quite pick it up the first time around, just replay the video. You'll get it.